In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an email template in Zoho. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it.
To start, open your preferred web browser and navigate over to the Zoho website. Zoho offers a wide range of cloud-based solutions for businesses, so make sure you're on the page that suits your needs by selecting the right service from the available options. Once you're there, locate and click on the Sign In button. This will direct you to the page where you need to enter your Zoho account credentials. If you haven't set up an account yet, you can easily sign up for one from this page as well. After signing in, you'll be taken to the Zoho home screen. This is essentially your control panel where you can access the various tools that Zoho provides. For our purpose today, you'll want to find the mail application, which should be listed among the available services. Click on it to proceed. Within the mail application, search for the option labelled Templates. Clicking on Templates is where the real process begins. This section allows you to create, manage, and edit your email templates. With a dedicated space for all your templates, it becomes significantly easier to maintain a repository of standardized emails that you can use at any time without having to start from scratch. Inside the Templates section, choose the Create Template option. Here is where you can design your email template according to your needs. Consider what information you frequently send and how it should be formatted. Zoho gives you the flexibility to customize various aspects such as the subject line, body text, and any attachments you might need. When designing your template, keep in mind the visual appeal and the tone of your message. Use consistent fonts and colors that align with your brand. After you're satisfied with the content and design, take a moment to preview the template to ensure everything looks as intended. Once finalized, don't forget to save your template. And that's it! You have successfully created an email template in Zoho. This newly created template will now be available for repeated use, making your email communication more streamlined and efficient. Remember, by utilizing this feature, you can enhance your productivity and maintain a professional standard in your correspondence. Thank you for watching, and feel free to leave any questions or comments below. Happy emailing!